Welcome back to course number 6, Saving and Emergency Funds. In this lecture, we'll focus on practical saving techniques. These are simple strategies that you can start using right away to build financial security, even as a college student. One of the best saving techniques is called pay yourself first. This means treating saving like a bill that must be paid every month. As soon as you get income from a job, allowance, or scholarship, put a portion into savings before spending on anything else. Even small amounts like $20 a month add up over time. Another effective technique is to automate your savings. Many banks allow you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. By automating the process, you remove the temptation to skip saving. It happens in the background without effort. Keeping your savings separate from your spending money helps you resist the urge to dip into it. Open a savings account that's not directly tied to your debit card. This small barrier makes it less likely that you'll spend the money on impulse purchases. Look for ways to cut small daily expenses. For example, making coffee at home instead of buying it daily could save $60 a month. Preparing meals instead of eating out can save even more. Direct those savings into your emergency fund or other goals. Small sacrifices today create big results later. Having clear goals makes saving easier. Instead of just saying, I want to save money, decide what you're saving for, like $500 for textbooks or $1,000 for an emergency fund. Specific goals help you stay motivated and track your progress. There are many budgeting and saving apps that make saving simple. Apps can round up your purchases and put the spare change into savings, or they can track your progress toward a goal. For students, these tools can turn saving into a habit with little extra effort. When you receive extra money, like a tax refund, financial aid refund, or a gift, put some or all of it into savings instead of spending it right away. Windfalls are a great opportunity to boost your emergency fund or move closer to long-term goals. Let's look at an example. Alex sets up automatic transfers of $25 a month, makes coffee at home, and saves half of a $300 tax refund. In 1 year, Alex has over $800 saved without feeling deprived. By combining several small techniques, Alex built a strong financial cushion. To summarize, practical saving techniques include paying yourself first, automating savings, using separate accounts, cutting small expenses, setting goals, using apps, and saving windfalls. Start with one or two techniques and build from there. The key is consistency. Every small step brings you closer to financial security. This concludes our course number 6, Saving and Emergency Funds. See you at our next course.